Hello everyone, it's me, it's Triple T. I'm back sooner than you thought. So, I've been trying these CRAVE entrees lately. That's what I'm gonna do. Because last night when I did this is, excuse me, sorry guys, cheesy loaded potatoes with Angus beef and bacon. These actually look pretty damn good for $4. I am gonna put a little pepper on it. Right, it doesn't seem very hot. But basically, I wanted to show... Oh, there we go. It's pretty hot. This is at least something in my belly before work. These look really good, actually. I almost want to get more of these. They're $4. They have egg ones. There was the mac and cheese one I did. Oh, that's so good. Oh my god, those are sensational. So, a viewer, a Triple T subby, a Triple T slutty, sent me a gift. And when I came to it was at my door when I got home from work. And it was basically kind of open, kind of like that. And I could kind of put my hand, and I thought, okay, maybe they just don't pack. Like, I don't understand why Amazon, this happened when Jen sent me a box too. So, here's the item inside, right? A small box. Why is it in a massive box like that? Shouldn't it be in a smaller, compact box? I don't know. I don't understand. Anyways, I got a selfie stick tripod from my homegirl, Just JoJo. If you guys aren't already subscribed to Just JoJo's channel, I'll put her link below in my description box. Please go check out her channel. This is so good, I almost want another one. Oh my god, this is sensational. Oh my god. Holy moly, guys. Oh, you wouldn't think beef would be, and potatoes would be that tasty, but these frozen entrees, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that is sensational. I almost want to have get like 4 of these and do a little buffet of them. Oh my god. And I wonder why I'm fat. Well, I also don't exercise. Alright. That was good. Let's get this out of the way. Well, that's not dirty. My mukbang board is dirty, so... At first we thought, oh my god, somebody must have stole out of the package, but it was just open for some reason. Alright, we got a lithium battery here. I'm like, am I going to travel with this box? So I'll have to read all this stuff. Probably watch a video on it, might be easier. So, yeah, that's great. Because basically... Okay, so... This must extend. Or is that as far as it extends? If that's as far as it extends, that's cool. I wouldn't want it, because I know, or maybe it does go out. You know how some of them slide out, or I think they slide out where they go real long out. I'm comfortable with this. Like I said, I'm gonna have to read about this. There's a plug there. So I'm guessing my phone slides in there somehow. Does it? No. Or maybe that slides down. Ah, sorry, y'all. Anyways, I can play with this. We'll figure it out. I'm not gonna figure it out right. I was like, how does that go on there? I'm wondering if this does. This has got a button, some sort of button here. Oh. Okay. She was saying a remote, but I don't see a remote. No, there's definitely no remote. I don't know what this does. Anyways, y'all, I just wanted to come on, do a quick little video. Thank you so much, Just Jojo. I'm gonna obviously have to read before I just figuring I know everything about this. Does that extend out or not? No, right? Thanks, guys. I gotta go get ready for work. Bye.